Welcome to Chef Food channel. Viewers, how are you? In today's video I am going to show you latest lighting design, latest lighting ideas for modern kitchen 2021. Stepping forward, if you're new in our channel Chef Food, kindly subscribe us and also hit the bell icon so that our every video notification comes to you and you're not gonna miss any of our latest video update. Here more than 60 plus designs are shared about lighting, how to illuminate, how to enlighten your kitchen. Latest ideas are here for you if you're making new kitchen or western style kitchen. These designs, these lighting ideas gives your kitchen a complete, elegant and restaurant style look. So you can make your kitchen beautiful by this lighting, and this will enhance the light of your kitchen and also the decorated sense of your kitchen. So you can give your feedback in the comment section how was the video, and if you like the video kindly give me a like, a thumbs up, and also you can give your own feedback about how was the video, how to improve our next videos, and also what should be our next video topic in the comment section, so that we will make video for you according to your wishes, according to your desires, and also the topic you select for us to be discussed that we haven't discussed yet, or any recipe related to Pakistani, Indian, Chinese and Italian cuisine and so on. Dishes are also prepared, whatever you want to learn from the Chef Food channel. Hoping that you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned to our channel Chef Food and also hit the bell icon so that our every video comes to you. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. And don't forget to watch the video till end. Okay, bye bye.